Hello, welcome back. This is your third lesson in the Vocab series. If you have not yet watched the first two lessons, please watch them. Let's review 25 less frequency words in this session. Please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss the upcoming vocab sessions. Now, please focus on the following words. 1. Abate, meaning reduce in intensity. Subside. Usage, the storm finally abated after several hours. 2. Abstemious. Meaning moderate in eating or drinking. Self-disciplined. Temperate. Usage, he was abstemious in his eating habits. 3. Accede. Meaning agree. Consent. Yield to. Usage, she acceded to their demands after negotiations. 4. Acrimonious. Meaning bitter. Harsh, angry. Usage, the debate turned acrimonious very quickly. 5. Alacrity. Meaning eagerness, promptness, willingness. Usage, she accepted the invitation with alacrity. 6. Anathema. Meaning curse, abomination, something detested. Usage, violence was anathema to her. 7. Antipathy. Meaning aversion, dislike, hostility. Usage, there was a mutual antipathy between the two rivals. 8. Apocryphal. Meaning false, doubtful authenticity. Fictitious. Usage, the story was apocryphal but entertaining. 9. Arcane. Meaning mysterious, obscure, esoteric. Usage, the arcane symbols baffled the archaeologists. 10. Arduous. Meaning difficult, strenuous, laborious. Usage, the journey was long and arduous. 11. Avarice. Meaning greed, materialism, excessive desire for wealth. Usage, his avarice knew no bounds. 12. Baleful. Meaning harmful, threatening, ominous. Usage, she gave him a baleful look. 13. Banal. Meaning commonplace, trite, lacking originality. Usage, the movie's plot was banal and predictable. 14. Beguile. Meaning deceive, charm, mislead. Usage, he beguiled her with his smooth talk. 15. Meaning cheat, defraud, swindle. Usage, he bilked investors out of millions. 16. Blandishment. Meaning flattery, coaxing, allure. Usage, she was immune to his blandishments. 17. Boon. Meaning benefit, blessing, advantage. Usage, the rain was a boon for the farmers. 18. Calumny. Meaning menace, slander, false accusation, defamation. Usage, the article was full of calumny against the politician. 19. Cantankerous. Meaning bad-tempered, argumentative, uncooperative. Usage, the cantankerous old man complained about everything. 20. Capitulate. Meaning then surrender, yield. Given usage, the enemy forces capitulated after a long battle. 21. Castigation. Meaning severe criticism, punishment, reprimand. Usage, he faced castigation for his mistakes. 22. Catharsis. Meaning emotional release, purification, cleansing. Usage, writing the letter was a form of catharsis for her. 23. Circumspect. Meaning cautious, prudent, wary. Usage, he was circumspect in his business dealings.